The chi-square test interactive calculator helps you analyze categorical data and test hypotheses about frequency distributions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 5 options. Goodness of fit test for 1 variable, test of independence for 2 variables, find critical value, chi-square to p-value converter, or required sample size estimator. For this demonstration, I'm using goodness of fit test. Enter your observed frequencies comma-separated and your expected frequencies comma-separated. Set your significance level alpha between 0.001 and 0.5, then click Calculate. Here's our example. I've entered observed frequencies as 30, 45, 25, 50, and expected frequencies as 37.5, 37.5, 37.5, 37.5 with significance level 0.05. The calculator returns a chi-square statistic of 11.3333 with 3 degrees of freedom. Our critical value is 5.9998 and the p-value is 0.1744. Since our chi-square statistic exceeds the critical value, the decision states, reject the null hypothesis. The observed frequencies differ significantly from expected frequencies. The calculator confirms this is a goodness of fit test with 4 categories at alpha equals 0.05. This tool streamlines your statistical analysis workflow. Find the link in the description below.